Hello kids, welcome back to MG Colors. Today we are going to see the shapes. These are the colors we are going to use today. Let's see the colors, kids. This is brown color. Next one is green color. Red, violet, yellow color, sky blue color, kids. This is hexagon. Next, circle. This one is pentagon. Triangle. Heart. Star. Now we are coloring the shapes. Hexagon gets yellow color. Hexagon, yellow color, kids. Circle, green color. Circle, green color. Pentagon, brown color. Pentagon, brown color, kids. Triangle, sky blue color. Triangle, sky blue color. Heart shape, red color. Heart shape, red color. Star, violet color. Star, violet color. Hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart, star. Okay kids, do subscribe to MG Colors.